chiti na letrese basari ya lengororo manyanga ekiyuka na kinkomoliwo abantu ba supply te ba inkolete mbeo bosa na bakan eseginere bagutumye mu mroyo abantu bakaumia manyanga abasikali bande barwete Nairobi Langata police station abande nyanchwa ekero bagetama sasa bakakura bakairana ebali kiranite mutandanga kazi ilikuwa safi Kisii safi kuita abantu and the only target was Simba. What have I done to anybody? I've not stolen anything. I want to say this one in Swahili and in English. The police officers who were used yesterday, one of them called Morris, comes from Langata police station. He had a AK-47. Kevin Langat, he had an AK-47 from Nyanchwa. There were 7 AK-47 in the shooting in South Mugango. And the only target is Simba. What have I done to this government? What is it that I cannot be told? Why should you use Osoro as a conduit just to kill me? Why can't you leave also me to get to, even if it's 50 years? Because if you are thirsty of blood, why should you want to kill me? This is not the first incident, and the authority is quiet. There are some senior police officers in Kisii who are collaborating to finish the agenda of Hon Simba. I want to ask my good people, please remember me in prayers.